Hey guys, DeepSeek just announced yesterday their new reasoning models called R1 and R1 completely open source, rivals ChatGPT's O1 models, outperforms them even. Go to deepseek.com. It's completely free. Here you can see DeepSeek R1 is now live in open source, rivaling OpenAI's model O1. I also have an app now, it seems. It was released the day before. Release notes here. This is DeepSeek R1's release. Performance on par with OpenAI O1. Fully open source, MIT licensed, distilled and commercialized freely. You can use this model to train your other models using synthetic data. Website and API are live now, which is paid, obviously, but it is 96% cheaper. These are some benchmarks you can see here. DeepSeek R1 and OpenAI O1, DeepSeek R1 32B. The reasoning model itself, I think it is like 670 billion parameters, pushing the boundaries of OpenAI. These are the distilled models. So basically, these Quen models, Llama 8 billion, 70 billion models, Quen 7 billion, 14, 32, and 1.5 billion models. These are fine-tuned using synthetic data provided by DeepSeek R1. So that is the DeepSeek R1 distilled versions of this. And they outperform, specifically the Quen 32 billion model. They outperform O1 Mini, the mini reasoning model from ChatGPT. That is completely done by these open source models. And all the weights, if you go to Hugging Space, you can see DeepSeek AI, DeepSeek R1, and they do have the benchmark here as well. DeepSeek R1 and DeepSeek R1 are trained based on DeepSeek V3 base, which is the normal chat model that you get when you go to DeepSeek's their chat interface. Have a look at this API access and pricing using DeepSeek Reasoner rather than using DeepSeek Chat in the model name. This is what you would use. Per 1 million output tokens, $2. Compare that with O1's $60 per million tokens price here, whereas DeepSeek is 2 million. It even outperforms O1. That is crazy. It is even cheaper than O1 Mini. Input prices, it's like 10 cents per million tokens. That is the price. O1 Mini and O1 Preview and O1. That is the price comparison difference here on a chart. That is crazy. So how do you access this? You just have to come to DeepSeek and click on Start Now. You'll be asked to sign up. And after you sign up, you can sign up using your Google account or something like that. You'll get these two options here. Remember, this is completely free. You're not even paying $20 like for ChatGPT. You have to click on this DeepThink to enable it. Search and DeepThink can work together. I see it can create my own landing page for my MVP agency. It's going to copy it and give it to DeepThink. Can you create the best landing page for this offer? Create landing page and submit. So you can see the process, the actual thinking through process. Thought for 15 seconds. I'm also going to try the same thing with ChatGPT as well. Run HTML, launch process. Not really sure. It did miss a lot of content there. Please code the landing page in full with all the content. While it is doing that, let me just give the same prompt to ChatGPT's O1. Going to paste that there and enter. Definitely thinking a bit more maybe. DeepSeek is definitely faster. Now the DeepSeek one has completed now. Run HTML. Definitely has more content here. Fast development, full package, latest tech. It's not the best looking, but it has brought in all the components this time. What has ChatGPT come up with? Let's copy it. Okay, this is the page that's created by O1. It has included all the content, but it looks terrible. Whereas this one looks much better and it's crazy. Let's see what it has done here. I need to create a landing page for Dev MVP offer. Let me start by understanding the content provided. I should structure the landing page logically. Header should have navigation bar. One of the tricks that I use is to say something like make the landing page stunning looking, which usually creates amazing landing pages or turns boring landing pages into good ones just with one single prompt. Let's see how that fares with the R1 reasoning model here from DeepSeek. Let's do the same thing here. Make the landing page stunning looking. Let's try running it. This one has asking to continue. Let's continue with that. And this one has, O1 still has more max output limit. It didn't ask me for any sort of continue or anything like that so far, and it's still writing. Whereas this one has finished. Let's just run it and see. Oh my God, that's not bad actually. You have animations, fade-ins, good footer, nice hero section as well. Look at that effect, sliding up and down. Simple animation, not bad. Let's see how this looks in a proper browser. That is not bad. Everything is linked. There's no contrast here, but look at these animations and stuff like that without using framework. Very good. Now the ChatGPT one has finished. Copy that. Ooh, that is even better. Okay. I like the ChatGPT version better for when I use the prompt, make it stunning. This is actually, I like this one better. Yeah, O1 wins for sure in my eyes. I think it's comparable though. It has that uneven hero section, subtle animations there. Here also some animations. I definitely like this area from ChatGPT better. Again, this area is also a little bit better. I like the colors from there. Book a call, claim discount, join waitlist, ready for lift off. Maybe a little bit more, a better prompt. O1 will fare even better. Let's see if it can generate good SEO articles. Open the sidebar. I'm going to open a new chat. Also, new chat here on ChatGPT. Let's go to Dev MVP, go to free tools, get some keywords for the article generation. I'm just going to copy this first section here, paste it into DeepSeek. I have a software for writing articles. Windows snippet from landing page. Let's go here. SaaS idea generator. SEO-optimized AI article writer. Let's look for similar keywords. We have keywords for that offer right there. So free AI writing tools, recent trends as a good keyword. AI document writer. And let's just go back to DeepSeek. List on these keywords. Suggest DeepSeek is much more verbose here. There is nothing much going on here. Yeah, definitely more verbose here. Shows what's going on when it is actually thinking. Top 10 free AI writing tools to supercharge your content creation. Top 10 AI free writing tools in 2024. I definitely like this one better for writing and how they compare to paid solutions. Yeah, this is definitely good, better. These are definitely better titles. I might change my models to DeepSeek. Keywords to target free AI writing tools, free AI writing software. Same thing, free AI writing tools. Angle. Position your tool as an upgrade path after free tools. This is very good actually. It is actually giving you the funnel as well, like what to do after that to drive users to buy your software. That is great. AI that writes for you. Let's have a look at the thinking process. Okay, let me tackle this. The user provide a list of keywords with search volumes and wants article suggestions based on them to drive traffic to their SEO AI tool. The goal is to create articles that not only attract traffic but also convert readers into signups on AI. Whereas in ChatGPT, you don't really have that kind of detailed. This is actually pretty useful. Even when you're brainstorming on building something, you can think along these lines. I should categorize these keywords into themes. Doing all that like what we would normally do manually, it is actually doing all that. These are general writing tools, SEO focused keywords, niche SEO services, plumbers, comparison alternatives. It's going through the programmatic aspect of it as well. High volume keywords, it is actually taking into consideration. Website SEO checker might be competitive. Isn't that neat? So maybe how-to guide or a list of tools could work. I like this. This changes SEO game, how you can actually use reasoning models to do this kind of complicated tasks. For mid-volume keywords like best SEO tools, a comparison article could position their tool against competitors. SEO for plumbers, long tail variations. It is actually thinking of all the possible things. I need to ensure that each article idea incorporates the tool's unique selling point. An article on AI content generation with auto indexing. It is thinking from different angles. Avoiding duplication is important. This is something that I was struggling with before, because if I had like a topic cluster with a lot of keywords, if I feed that into my bot, I have to have a separate AI agent to deduplicate it. Avoiding duplication is important. Even though some words are similar, each article should have a unique angle. I can literally copy this thinking process and use it as a prompt in my agent. That is a very good idea. Can be separate but linked articles, each focusing on different aspects. Finally, the article should include CTAs encouraging signups, offering free trial or a demo. It has categorized it based on high impact, niche SEO service articles, competition, problem solving articles, case studies and trends, templates and how-tos. Why these will convert. Pain points addressed, time savings, cost reduction, frustration with manual. Let's give the same prompt and see, because we did change the prompt after slightly. So it may be a case of like my prompting is really bad. You'll have to refine your prompt step before this. Piecing together cluster ideas, curating ideas. All right, now we have a bit more detailed. I think it's just the matter of giving a better prompt. SEO strategies, AI writing and copywriting, SEO and marketing tools, general SEO. I like this ones. It gives you a proper site structure and programmatically pull data from the database database, especially for this competition, SEMrush alternatives, stuff like that. You can, with the template, I can just pull in the data from database and output that without actually writing it, just superimposing the data onto a template. If you want to know how to do that, just let me know. I'll show you how I set it up. Similar sort of output, Shopify and e-commerce, but I think I prefer the output from DeepSeek just because it has all this why these will convert, and it has tie-ins and stuff like that. Embed your tools HTML optimization and auto indexing as solution. So it actually shows how to tie in the offer itself into these articles for a lead gen. This is more like a plan. This is just titled suggestions here. This is actually pretty good. Cost is pretty low. Integration coming soon to SEO AI bot. Maybe I can even host it locally, which is possible by hosting one of these distilled models here. I'm pretty sure this should be available on Olama by now, because it is available in Hugging Face. If you can just run it through Olama, host it locally, accept the 70 billion model, up to 32 billion parameters, using Quen, I think I can run comfortably from my laptop. Just a plug. I'm still developing MVPs for other founders or whoever wants a SaaS product built, AI product or normal products. Spots available. developmvp.com. Call to strategize. We'll see how we can work together. There are a bunch of free tools for other SaaS developers as well. If you don't want to spend for SEMrush or Ahrefs, this pulls directly from Google Ads data, Google Keyword Planner, very accurate. And there's a SaaS idea generator. That's how we do it. Find winning ideas, just like I showed you earlier. I also have a Discord. I will put that in the description, so be sure to join. I'll probably be sharing more free tools, go through my SaaS development process, and talk about other emerging things in the AI space. Subscribe here on YouTube as well. I have a newsletter. I haven't started writing anything on it. You can join that one as well. Will be in the description, the link. I have this SEO AI bot powered content generation. If you want any of the SEO automation setup for your own SEO agency, let me know. We can set it up for you. So any sort of AI automation, reach out to me. AI chatbot setup. I will see you in the next one.